Okay, find the length of the missing side, A, of the triangle. All right. So we have this angle, 49 degrees, and we're looking for A, which is the hypotenuse, right? It's the longest side, it's opposite the right angle, and we're given this length here, 37. All right, if we're talking about this angle, then that means that, well, this is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite side, right? If you march away from the 49 degrees, you smack into this side, so this is the opposite side. That's the hypotenuse, making this one the adjacent. Okay, adjacent means beside, and of course there are two sides that are beside the 49 degrees, but this one's the hypotenuse. So this one is therefore the adjacent. All right, so we're talking about adjacent and hypotenuse. So I'm going to use my cosine ratio, right? So cosine of theta, remember, is adjacent over hypotenuse, and so I fill in what I know, and we know that the theta is 49 degrees, so cosine of 49 degrees is, and we know that the adjacent is 37. What we don't know is the hypotenuse, right? So it's cos of 49 degrees is 37 over A. And I'm going to cross multiply. So basically I'm going to switch the A and the cosine of 49. If you want to do it algebraically, using the formal method, you're going to multiply both sides by A, then divide both sides by cosine of 49. But in any case, what you end up getting is A is equal to 37 divided by the cosine of 49 degrees. Okay, so now it's handy dandy calculator time. 37 divided by 49 degrees. Make sure your calculator says degrees, mine does. 49 cosine equals, okay, and that gives us our A, which is 56.397364, and I want to round that to, let's say, 4 or 5 decimal places. Okay, so if I'm rounding it to, let's say to the 6, the 4 tells the 6 to stay the same. Okay, so A is equal to 56.39736 centimeters. Don't forget your units. And that's it. Have a nice day.